Hi, this is Advocate Prashant. I welcome you to our channel on legal awareness. In this apartment law awareness series, I am going to inform you about the legal procedure which one can follow if in case any apartment owner in an apartment building is violating the terms of the lease deed or the terms of the sublease, that is the conveyance deed, and is doing any act which is contrary to the terms settled in the lease, meaning thereby that every apartment owner has been given a carpet area or a demarcated area within which he has to continue or perform its daily activities. However, it is a common routine situation that there are certain apartment owners, maybe at the ground floor, they try to encroach upon the green area which is just next to their balconies, or they open the entry and exit from the green area side, and they try to encroach upon the green area which is actually a common area. Similarly, those apartment owners whose flat are at the top floor, they try to encroach upon the terrace, and the other apartment owners, they try to encroach upon the common lobby and get constructed racks and everything there, or they uh, put their cycles and other stuff outside their apartment. So if there is any such kind of problem, then one has a remedy under section 9 of the section 9 of the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act. And in this, under this section, one has to make a complaint to the lessee of the land. So let us say that it is Noida Authority, or it is Noida where the concerned apartment is situated, and you are feeling aggrieved against the action of the certain apartment owners who are encroaching upon either on the green area by extending themselves, or by extending their apartment to on the green area next to their apartment or the top floor apartment owner, and you are facing problem, then you have to make a complaint under section 9 before the Noida Authority or the Greater Noida Authority, or whichever authority which has given the lease on the land, or whosoever is the lessee of your apartment. So once you will serve a notice to give a complaint to the Noida Authority or the Concerned Development Authority is duty bound to make a site inspection of the project and see that how the terms of the sublease deed are being violated. Once the violation is found, then a notice is served upon the violator, that is the person whosoever is violating the terms of the lease, and he will be required to abstain himself from doing any such activity, and also to restore the area as it was. If in case the person is not restoring such area, then there are consequential action which the concerned authority may take place. However, if you are on the receiving end, you think that a certain area is your area and you have rightfully made some construction, or have taken possession of some area, and notice has been served upon you, then you have a right to file an appeal before the district judge of the concerned district against the notice that may have been served upon you by the lessee. There are instances where the builder has actually sold certain green area next to the ground floor apartments, but due to confusion or because of non-application of mind by the development authorities do serve notice under the Urban Planning Development Act or the Industrial Development Act, or even under the Uttar Pradesh Apartment Act, asking you to demolish the construction, or even there have been circumstances or cases, you may search on Google, that development authority demolished the structure of the ground floor area covering the green area appertaining to such ground floor apartments. Anyhow, once the appeal is filed before the district judge, he will give an opportunity of hearing to both the parties, and depending upon the outcome of the case, the order of the development authority can be quashed. So this is all with respect to checking the violations with respect to encroachment upon the common areas and facilities by any of the apartment owner. Hope this will help you. Please do like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying.